Hello my amazing viewers, welcome back to Design and Tech Hub YouTube channel. I hope you're doing great. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can read and WhatsApp deleted messages. A sender has previously sent you a message, then the message was later deleted. How you can read these messages? But before diving into the video, if you are a new viewer, please kindly click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So, in order to be able to read a WhatsApp deleted message, you have to get an app installed on your phone which is NotiSafe. That particular app I'm pointing an arrow at. So I will be putting a link to download the app in the video description so that you can easily get redirected to WhatsApp to Play Store to download this app. So let's check the app and activate it. So on entering the app after installation, this is the interface you'll be having. Incoming notification and messages will be saved here. So you just click on next again, then you click on allow access to notification. You allow that. You will be redirected to your settings to allow the access to notification. Then you enable this, you allow it. So after doing that, you go back to the app. Click on allow NotiSafe to have access to photos and media on your devices. Though this is not going to have access to your media and photos, it's just that most of the app are here. Most of the app we do use on our phone. That's how they ask. So you just click on allow. So you'll be having your app list and you will have it loading. So once the app list has been loaded out, you have all the app on your phone. They will be loaded out, but you don't need this. You don't need all of them to be enabled. So all you just have to do is to click on enable here. You enable this and you disable it again. You enable it, then you disable it again. So you go back. After that, we are done activating the app. So let's go and check if this is really working. So I'll be going to WhatsApp now to test my WhatsApp, my other WhatsApp. We'll get the message deleted, then check if it is still available there. So I'll send it. You can see I've sent this message now. So let's wait to get 2 marks to be able to verify this message has been sent. So you can see, let's wait. I think we have a network problem. So you can see the message as I entered the other WhatsApp. The message has been sent now. This is the recipient. This is the sender. You can see we've received the message here. So I will be deleting the message here. So I will delete the message here. Before I delete the message, let's check the NotiSafe app to see that the message is received here. You can see the message is also received here as well. You can see hi, good day. You can see the message here. Looking at this, you can see the message here. So I'm going to the sender WhatsApp now to get the message deleted. So let's delete the message now. Delete for everyone. You deleted this message. The message has been deleted here. So confirm. You can see this message was deleted. You can see this message was deleted. So we check the NotiSafe app. You can see the message is still available here. You can see the message is still available in the NotiSafe app. So looking at this, you can see with the NotiSafe app, you can read all deleted WhatsApp messages. So please, if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe and share to your friends. We really need your help by sharing our video. Please keep on sharing to your friends. You are appreciated for all your support. Thanks for watching.